Everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture on Requirements Analysis and Specification. The topic to be discussed today is Requirement Analysis and Specification, Requirements Gathering and Analysis. Requirements gathering meaning is to discover, collect, and document stakeholders' expectations. The risks include inaccurate gathering, which leads to the cause of the project failure, project budget overruns. So the key question is, what does the system actually need to do? Introduction to requirements. Requirement analysis is the bedrock of the software development lifecycle. We can define it the process of eliciting, documenting, and validating the stakeholders' needs. The impact of quality. It directly influences design, development, and testing. It determines ultimate user satisfaction. It prevents costly rework and project failure. Let us empathize the requirement analysis. So it focuses on the real user needs. It reduces requirement ambiguity. It improves stakeholder satisfaction. Let us define requirement analysis. So what problem does the system solve? Who are the users? What are the system constraints? Let's ideate. We have to brainstorm possible system features. We need to convert user needs into system functionalities, and then we need to prioritize the requirements. So the essence of requirements gathering is that we need to discover needs, that is identifying the core requirements of the stakeholders. We need to collect information, that is we need to gather data from various sources. Then we need to document the expectations. Is a process of recording the agreed upon requirements from the customers. And then the critical phase, which emphasizes the importance of accurate requirements. Then it also highlights the financial impact of errors. And then project failure, which is illustrating the ultimate consequence of poor requirements. Identifying stakeholders. A successful project considers everyone affected by the system. Users and customers are the primary stakeholders. The internal stakeholders are the business analysts, developers, testers, and the project managers. So this diagrammatic representation includes the primary and the internal stakeholders. Elicitation techniques. This process includes interviews, asking questions, conducting workshops. Then we need to brainstorm by creating the innovative ideas, and document analysis, that is reviewing the existing manuals and business plans. Then prototyping, that is visualizing the functionalities, and by using the use cases, that is mapping interactions between the users and the system. And then observation, watching users in their natural workflow. Then focus groups, the qualitative discussions on user experience and opinions. Requirements gathering methods range from individual to group focus. So as we discussed the interviews, use cases, workshops, questions asking, and prototyping, document analysis, brainstorming, observation, focus groups is given here. Then documentation methods, which includes the formal specifications, that is the detailed technical documents, Then user stories, simple descriptions. Then observations by using use case diagrams. And then visualization using standard terms to prevent a communication breakdown. Then requirements documentation hierarchy. So this diagram shows you the hierarchical representation of the documentation process involved. Then comes the analysis and classification. Analyzing ensures requirements are complete, consistent, and feasible. Functional thing is that we need to identify what the system does, and non-functional analysis is that how the system performs in means of security, speed, and reliability. Then business or system requirements includes the high-level organizational goals versus the technical specifications. So this is the requirements hierarchy. Functional requirements, what system should do, and non-functional requirements, how the system should perform, and business requirements, high-level goals and objectives of the organization, user requirements, the needs and expectations of the users, and system requirements, the technical specifications of the system. Requirement prioritization, focusing resources on high-value features, then by using the Moscow method, and then by using numerical ranking, and then by performing the cost-benefit analysis. So by doing so, we can prioritize the requirements of the customers. Then which requirement prioritization technique should be used? Moscow, which categorizes requirements into must have, should have, could have, and won't have, providing a clear hierarchy. A ranking method, it assigns numerical values to requirements, allowing for precise prioritization. Cost-benefit analysis, it evaluates the cost of implementation against the benefit. It's ensuring efficient resource allocation. Stakeholder voting, which gathers stakeholder input, ensuring alignment with project goals. Validation and conflict resolution. Validation ensures the right product is being built by our reviews, testing, and testability matrices. And conflict resolution, then we need to balance conflicting stakeholder needs to meet overall project goals. So this is the requirements validation techniques: reviews, prototyping, testing, traceability matrix. So this is the overall mind map of the topic discussed. Types of specifications are the functional requirements and non-functional requirements. Then the qualities of good specifications are the clear, consistent, complete, and modifiable one. And then the documentation methods, key activities, and standards and tools used. Thus coming to the end of the session. Let's discuss another topic in the upcoming videos. Thank you.